A portlet that Millikan University has recently developed is the GPA calculator. And this can be used to help students anticipate what their overall GPA might be given certain grades that they may receive in those courses. So the screen you're looking at right now is the courses currently enrolled for this student, and you can see those courses listed here on the main screen along with the credit hours for each of those courses. And so in this case, Mabel may anticipate receiving a B plus in Intro to Visual Culture. So the user just needs to select the B plus from the drop-down menu, and you can then see down the bottom under resulting GPA where it took their GPA from a 4 to a 3.75 as a result of changing their expected grade to a B plus. So the user can use this to help them determine potentially what grades they need to receive in certain courses to help maintain certain GPA levels for scholarship requirements, or just to help their overall scholarship at the university. And so again, the user can go through and select their grades and see the resulting impact of their GPA by those affected grades.